Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank God, we may share information with Muslimpedia once more. It is not as simple as twisting the palm of one's hand to build a home. It doesn't simply start with wedding debauchery, it also requires an awareness of both spouses' affection. If one of them is dominant in managing the family, a cold war will ensue, resulting in an affair that ends in divorce, and their children will be the victims. Muhammad's marriage to Khadija could serve as a model in everyday life. Muhammad consistently exhibited his affection for his wife in his daily movements and demeanor, respecting women as human beings on an equal level with men. As stated in Ar-Rum verse 21 of the Quran, and one of the evidence of his might is that he created spouses of your own kind for you to care for and feel comfortable with, and he created love and compassion between you. There are signals for persons who think in that. According to Dr. M. Talib's book, published by Syed Baitis Salam, IBS, in 1995, wives have 40 responsibilities to their husbands. The following are 40 wife responsibilities to her husband. 1. Fulfilling the wife's function against her husband. The wife, like jewels, must always be a conditioner, flavoring, charm, and encouragement in her husband's life. 2. Act as a husband's representative in the family. When her husband is absent at home, the wife must manage, maintain, and be responsible for honor, property, and all household concerns. As the household's head, the woman must position herself as the husband's representative. 3. Truthfully obeying husband's commandments. A wife can only obey her husband's directives if they are correct in accordance with Islamic law. If the order is found to be against religion, it is obligatory to refuse it, even if it has severe implications, such as forcing her to divorce her spouse. 4. Lighten her husband's dowry load. Islam advises a righteous woman to relieve her soon-to-be husband of the weight of dowry payment. To him, Allah's Messenger, SAW, stated, "The best lady is the one with the least dowry." Tabarani, H.R. 5. Serving husband's sexual requirements. Every wife is obligated to service her husband's sexual needs and may not deny or postpone doing so, unless Islamic law allows for an exception: menstruating, postpartum, obligatory fasting, Hajj and Umrah before Tahallul. If a wife refuses to comply with her husband's offer to have sex without a valid reason in Islam, she has sinned and disobeyed her husband. Allah and the angels curse the wife for her attitude. 6. Ease husband's shopping burden. A wife should not force her husband to spend more money than he can afford. 7. Caring for and nurturing your husband's children, whether biological or stepchildren. Because the wife's obligation to be faithful to her husband includes the responsibility of caring for her husband's children. 8. Assisting the husband's religious life. The woman bears the primary responsibility for correcting the husband's non-Islamic behavior. 9. Assisting in the jihad of the husband. The wife must be willing to allow her husband to participate in jihad fi sabilillah. 10. Dress up to excite your spouse. A wife who enables another man's hand to touch her body will disgust her husband. Only the husband's body should be maintained, cared for, and decorated. 11. Maintaining your husband's self-esteem and property. When the husband is not at home, the wife obeys her husband, defends his property, and maintains his honor. 12. Putting the interests of the husband ahead of those of his own father and mother. Once a lady marries, her obedience is directed toward her husband. 13. Following husband's domicile. The wife is required to follow her husband's residence. However, if his living environment is judged to be morally harmful or unsafe, both in terms of buildings and body safety, his wife has the right to refuse. 14. Willingness to become pregnant through husband's seed. Women who are legally pregnant have honor and a high place in Allah's eyes. 15. Taking the husband's property with his permission. The woman frequently takes the husband's property for a variety of reasons, including a lack of shopping funds. The Prophet Muhammad justifies this type of rationale as long as it is utilized to meet purchasing needs and not for other purposes. It should be emphasized once more that the wife cannot take her husband's possessions without his permission, unless it is for a justifiable expense. 16. Alms must be removed from the husband's property with his permission. I heard the Messenger of Allah SAW say, "A wife should not offer alms from her house without her husband's consent," he stated, quoting Abu Umama al-Bahili. "What about food, O Messenger of Allah?" The companions inquired. "Food is our best treasure," he remarked. Ibn Majah, Hr. 17. Leaving the house requires husband permission. According to a hadith, any wife who leaves her house without her husband's permission is in Allah's wrath until she returns or her husband lets her. From Anas, Hr. Khatib, 18. Not disrupting the leadership of the husband. Surah An-Nisa 34, meaning, the men are the leaders for the women because Allah has given some of them, men, authority over the others, women, and they, men, have spent some of their possessions. As a result, a righteous woman is one who obeys God and looks after herself. 19. Always delicate in viewing husbands. The wife's gentle attitude toward her husband indicates that even when her husband is upset, she is kind, smiling, generous, and polite to him. This soft demeanor is crucial in changing the husband's bad habits. 20. Eat with your husband till he finishes. The Prophet presented practical advice that was simple to follow. Assist your men with their meals, including lunch and dinner. Isn't it more appropriate for a wife to eat and drink with her husband at home, so that the family can grow in harmony? As a result, for the next 20 points in Part 140 Wife's Obligations according to Islamic Teachings, please watch the video in Part 240 Wife's Responsibilities according to Islamic Teachings. It's not easy, including myself, at least the light description above can be an inspiration in navigating the household that is Sakinah Mawaddah Warahmah. If you like this article, please don't forget to press the subscribe button. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.